Oh, my nose! Ah!
Whoops.
What in blazes are you two doing in my garden? I have half a mind to call the police.
Please don't call the police, Mr. Curry. I don't want to go to prison. My dad says if you go to prison, you go on the naughty list and Santa never visits you again.
You should have thought of that before you trespassed on my property.
We're very sorry, Mr. Curry.